the shadows of love, my heart laid bare.